Hi students, before I start my video, I would like to discuss the syllabus. In English grammar, we have finished chapter 6 and the letters, essay, story and the forms of verb. Now in this video, we'll discuss the chapter 7, that is degrees of adjectives. So here is the chapter 7, degrees of adjectives. Do you know what is an adjective? In the previous videos we have discussed adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. And here we have degrees of adjectives. And we have 3 types of degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative. What are they? Positive, comparative and superlative. See here, tall, taller, tallest. When we compare between two persons or two things, we add the words er with the adjective. अगर हम दो लोगों के बीच में या दो चीज़ों के बीच में, अगर दो चीज़ें कुछ भी हो सकता है, if we compare between them, we add the words er with the adjective. अगर हम दो से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बोल रहे हैं या चीज़ों के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, then we add the words est with the adjective. And positive, यहाँ पे कोई comparison नहीं हो रहा, just you are describing a noun or it can be a thing. Let's see the examples. Rita is a fat girl. See here, we do not have fatter or fattest, it is just fat. It is positive. Here Rita is not being compared to any person. रीता को यहाँ पे हम किसी से कंपेयर नहीं किया है, so it will be fat. लक्ष्मी is fatter than Rita. This is comparative. See, लक्ष्मी और रीता के बीच में क्या हो रहा है? कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. दो लोगों के बीच में कंपैरिजन होता है तो उसे कंपैरेटिव कहते हैं. दो से ज़्यादा सुपरलेटिव. See here, fatter than. Comparative में you could see than. Mostly we use than with the adjective. Lakshmi is fatter than Rita. Rani is the fastest of all the 3 girls. See, more than 2. तो क्या सुपरलेटिव है? est लग गई ना एडजेक्टिव के साथ. रानी इज द fattest of all the 3 girls. So did you understand? Positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, it's just describing a person or a thing. Comparative, describing between the 2 persons or things. Superlative is describing more than 2 persons or things. Red, redder, reddest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So these are some of the adjectives here you need to learn. Now, next one. See this. This is different. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. ये कैसे हम more लगाएंगे, कैसे most लगाते हैं? It is based on the syllables. Syllables मतलब इस word को जैसे हमारी pronunciation है वैसे हम उसको divide करते हैं. अगर दो या दो से ज़्यादा syllable है, then we have to write more in comparative, most in superlative. See here. Int, rest, ing. देखो कितना syllable है? 3 syllable है. 3 syllables we have. Int, rest, ing. So these kind of adjectives will be having more in comparative and most in superlative. Difficult. We have 3 syllables here. Beautiful, 3 syllables. Wonderful, 2 syllables. 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा होगा तो we have to add more in comparative and most in superlative. Here we have some other adjectives. This is completely different when we compare with other adjectives. These are irregular, comparatives and superlatives. This we have very few, you can learn by yourself. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. See, अगर किसी एक ही व्यक्ति के बारे में या चीज़ के बारे में बोलोगे तो you will say she is good. And if you compare between two, she is better than Rita. You can say she is better than Rita. Otherwise, in superlative में she is the best in the class. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Okay, so this is the lesson. I hope you understood. Now let's do the exercise 1. Pick out the adjectives from each sentence and write their comparative and superlative degrees. Here you have to pick out the adjectives and write the comparative and superlative. See, the rich man came in a beautiful car. The rich man came in a beautiful car. Here we have two adjectives. What are they? Rich and beautiful. Underline the adjectives. Rich, comparative, richer, superlative, richest. Beautiful. See, rich only one syllable. One syllable के लिए क्या होता है? Richer, er लगा देते हैं और est लगा देते हैं. Beautiful. See syllables. We have 3 syllables. बोला था ना मैंने? When we have 2 or more than 2 syllables, we need to write more beautiful and most beautiful. Next one. The small puppy belongs to the little girl. Here also we have 2 adjectives. Small, smaller, smallest. Little. We have here little, less, least. Quite easy. The tree has green leaves and red flowers. The tree has green leaves and red flowers. What are the adjectives here? Green and red. Green, greener, greenest. Now red, redder, reddest. His book is full of interesting stories and lovely pictures. Interesting is the adjective and lovely. So interesting, more than one syllable. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting, lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Now, he washed the dirty clothes in hot water. Dirty, adjective, hot. Dirtier, T-I-E-R, okay. Dirtiest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, this is done. Now exercise 2. We need to fill in the blanks. Positive, comparative, superlative. The first one we have comparative, but we don't have superlative. Positive, worse, bad. Positive, bad. And superlative, worst. Easiest. So positive, easy. Comparative, easier. More powerful, powerful, most powerful. Big, bigger, biggest. happy, happier, happiest. Bravest. So here brave, braver, bravest. Better. That means good, better, best. We have to add the adjectives. Adjectives are given in the brackets. We need to write सुपरलेटिव, कंपैरेटिव और पॉजिटिव. वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड. अगर एक ही इंसान के बारे में बोला कुछ कंपैरिजन नहीं, देन इट इज़ पॉजिटिव. इफ़ इट इज़ बिटवीन टू पर्सन और टू थिंग्स, देन वी नीड टू राइट कंपैरेटिव. इफ़ इट इज़ मोर देन टू persons, then we have to write superlative. My friend is the dash boy in the class. क्लास में एक नहीं ना, दो नहीं, ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर सुपरलेटिव. सुपरलेटिव में एक चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखना है, बिफोर द एडजेक्टिव देयर विल ऑलवेज बी द. कंपैरेटिव में क्या होता है, एडजेक्टिव के बाद दैन लगता है. सी हियर ऑल वी हैव हियर दैन. लेट्स सी आफ्टरवर्ड्स. The thing for superlative you need to understand, before the adjective will have the. My friend is the dash boy in the class. We have the adjective here young, so we need to write youngest. Now I love hockey. Here we have much. much का comparative दे. हॉकी और फुटबॉल के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है ना, एंड वी हैव दैन ऑल्सो हियर. सो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, कंपैरेटिव. So we need to write here more. Now next, this exercise is dash than the previous one. Easier. Comparing between two things, so comparative. George did dash than his brother. Better. Good का comparative better. Sunita is the dash of the three sisters. Short. Three sisters. More than two. दा भी लगा है यहाँ पे. So superlative. What is the adjective? Short. So answer is shortest. 10 is dash than 12. We have here little than 12. Comparison between two numbers. So comparative है. 10 is less than 12. See here we have no little, less, least. So comparative में क्या है, less आएगा. Now the Nile is the dash river in the world. What is the adjective we have? Long. Nile is the है, so क्या आएगा, superlative आएगा. And the comparison is पूरा दुनिया में, so obviously it is superlative. So answer is longest. So with this video we have finished our chapter 7, degrees of adjective. Hope you understood. Thank you.